The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you Tippy-Tippy-Tap.
You'll need paper 20 cm by 20 cm, a pair of scissors, crayons or paints, 2 trays, and small objects in multiple colors or materials. Are your children identifying colors and materials yet? Because Tippy-Tippy-Tap is a fun and easy way to add some randomization to color and material based object sorting activities. So first, let's make the Tippy-Tippy-Tap. Use a square, medium-sized paper. We used a 20 cm by 20 cm square. Now fold in half by bringing the left edge towards the right edge. Then reopen it. Now fold in half again by bringing the top edge towards the bottom edge. Reopen this as well. Now you have horizontal and vertical crease lines on the paper meeting at a point in the center. Fold the top left corner towards the center point to form a triangular fold in that corner. Now repeat the same step with the remaining 3 corners. These corners should touch each other at the center of the square, but make sure they don't overlap. You now have a smaller square. Flip the square over. You now have a flat surface on the top and the folded leaves facing downwards. Repeat the process. Fold the top left corner of the square paper in towards the center to form a triangular fold in the corner. Repeat the same step with the remaining 3 corners. You now have an even smaller square with the folded corners touching each other in the center. Fold and unfold this resulting square in half, first vertically and then horizontally. This will help ease the movement of the final Tippy-Tippy-Tap. Now flip it over. Color in the 4 sections with 4 colors of your choice. Now turn it over. Number the 8 sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila! Our Tippy-Tippy-Tap is ready! Insert both your thumbs and index fingers inside the outer flaps. Move your fingers vertically and horizontally to start playing. Another variation is, you can play this activity with material swatches as well. Now take 2 trays or boxes and we'll call them Tray A and Tray B for clarity. In Tray A, collect a few objects of your chosen colors. Place Tray A at a little distance and sit with the Tray B near you. We're all set up. It's playtime.
Tippy-Tippy-Tap, which color do you want?
Show your child the Tippy-Tippy-Tap and ask them to choose one color.
Blue. So, bring 4 blue objects.
Ask them to go find the objects from Tray A and place them in Tray B. Repeat till Tray A is empty.
Tippy-Tippy-Tap, which color do you want? Red.
Bravo! You are now a Tippy-Tippy-Tap champ.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.